Welcome to the text formatting demo. In this demo, we will learn how to utilize text highlighting in Controls work papers. Text formatting allows auditors to highlight important information at a glance. By visually distinguishing key items such as results, exceptions, and conclusions, teams can make complex work papers easier to read and review. Start by clicking Projects to access the Projects module. Select the project you need by clicking on it. We will use the Controls demo project for this example. Select Testing to navigate to the control tests. Click Tests. Click into a control to open it. Text formatting can be applied in 3 sections of a control work paper: the Test of Design Observation field, Test of Effectiveness test table, and tick mark legend. We'll start by entering findings in the Observations field for this example using standard plain text formatting. Once you have entered the information, select the text you want to format with your cursor. A pop-up of color options appears above the selection. Click the color box to change the text color for the highlighted section. Many teams use color strategically to communicate specific types of information, such as blue text to refer to another work paper or red text to highlight control references. For this example, since this control is designed effectively, we'll highlight the word consistent in green. The selected text now reflects the applied formatting. You can also utilize standard key commands such as Ctrl-B to bold the text and Ctrl-Z to undo your edits. Let's move on to the Test Steps table in the Test of Effectiveness section. In the Test Steps table, we can utilize the same text formatting tools, including coloring and font modification as described above. For this test results cell, we'll select a phrase describing a deficiency and apply red formatting to visually flag the result. Click on the red square to change the color. Now we can see that our text is turned to red. Let's navigate to the last section of the demo, the tick mark legend, by scrolling down. In the tick mark legend table, we've included pre-filled values to demonstrate example tick marks, such as those used to note exceptions. Let's apply color formatting to the tick mark symbols to distinguish between effective and deficient findings. Let's begin by highlighting the N in the first row. Since the N indicates that no exceptions were identified, we'll select green. With the first tick mark now green, we can apply different formatting to the Y tick mark as well. Highlight the Y with your cursor. Since the Y tick mark indicates that exceptions were identified in the sample, we'll select red to draw attention to the issue. Now that the tick mark legend table is color-coded, using the same formatting in the testing table will provide an intuitive visual connection. Thank you for working through our text formatting demo. We have many more videos available if you would like to learn about more system features.